Hello, my name is William French. I'm going to show you how to make homemade macaroni and cheese. Ingredients: 1 can of evaporated milk, 1/2 stick of butter, 1 box of Velveeta cheese, 2 types of shredded cheese, pepper, and penne noodles. Before cooking, I always recommend to cut up the Velveeta cheese. You only need half of it, but if you want to put all of it in there, you're more than welcome to. Cut up half a stick of butter. Do that in advance. Step 1. Get a stock pot 6 quarts out and put it on the stove and pour water into it. Turn the stove on a 4. When it reaches a boiling point, you may pour the whole box of penne noodles in there. It will need at least 15 minutes. The box says 13, but I always give a little extra time to make sure. You will need a spoon and you will need to turn it. Stir it around so it doesn't stick to the bottom. Step 2, you need to drain the noodles in a strainer. So pick up the pan, you'll pour it in the strainer, put the noodles back in the pan, and then you might put a half a stick butter in the pan and stir it until it melts in. Pour some evaporated milk in there for some help. Next, add some shredded cheese in there. Stir it till it's creamy. Add milk and stir it if it's not creamy enough. Then add some Velveeta cheese in there. Take your time, and if you haven't yet, make sure you cut up the cheese before. Do not put a block of cheese in there. It will not melt quick enough, and it will take even longer for this. So please take your time. Next, preheat the oven to 400. You would want to spray down your long rectangle pan. Then you would pour the macaroni cheese that's in the stove, pour it in there real smooth. Make sure it's level and make sure it's straight. I always put a dash of pepper in there for some flavor. I'll get some more of my shredded cheese. And if I want some more cheese on top, I cover it all over with some more cheese because I don't want any cheese to not be there because I love the cheese and the texture. So I'll make sure that I get the other half of the shredded cheese. I will pour it on top of the macaroni and cheese. And when my beeper goes off for 400, I will put my pan in the oven. I will shut it, set a timer for 25 minutes, which is plenty of time for it to cook. And I'll watch it till it browns on the side. When it gets like a golden color, it looks like it's about to burn on the side. I will check the macaroni and cheese, see if it's ready. And then I'll let it cool off. And I will pull a plate out, cut me a slice to taste it, see if it tastes correctly. And that is how you make homemade macaroni and cheese by William French.